Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is my second video and today I would like to begin with parts of speech. Parts of speech in English grammar is very important. Parts of speech helps you to analyze sentences and understand them. In English language, 8 kinds of words are called the parts of speech according to the work which they perform in sentences. 8 kinds of words are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. And first of all, I would like to begin with noun. If we look at nouns, there are 4 kinds of nouns in English grammar. That is proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So let's first start with proper nouns. According to the definition of proper nouns, it stated that a proper noun is the name of some particular person, country, town, river, pet, month, day, book, place or thing. Suppose if I consider example of a person, that is Ram. In country, if I consider example India. In town, Gantok. In river, Ganga. In pet, cat. In month, January. In day, Monday. In book, Bhagavad Gita. And place, that is London. And proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Let's move to the second nouns, that is common nouns. Common noun is a name given to common things around us that is present in our surrounding. Example: house, chair, man, city, school, teacher, mango, pen. Let's move to the third one, that is collective noun. And collective noun is very easy to identify because in collective noun, the name of a group of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Suppose if I consider an example like army. Army represent whole group of army, or army represent whole country army. Suppose if I consider another example, crowd. Crowd represent whole group. And suppose if I consider family. Family represent whole family. Nation. Nation represent whole nation. Parliament. Parliament represent whole parliament of a particular country. Suppose if I consider herd. Herd represent whole group of cattle. Collective noun is mostly referred to in the singular form, but sometimes a plural form may be used. Suppose if I consider an example like an army is a collection of soldiers. In this line, soldiers, that is plural, and plural is used in this line. Fleet is a collection of ships. Ships represent plural. A crowd is a collection of men. Crowd represent whole plural of men. A herd is a collection of cattle. It represents a whole collection of cattle in plural form. Let's move to the last one, that is abstract nouns. An abstract noun is very different than the other nouns because in abstract nouns we can't find the object. In abstract nouns, the name of a quality, action or condition considered apart from the object to which it belongs. And in abstract nouns we can find various examples of qualities, actions and condition or states that are classified under abstract nouns. Suppose if I consider examples of qualities like goodness, badness, kindness, cruelty, whiteness, darkness, honesty, dishonesty, wisdom, foolishness, bravery. These all are examples of abstract nouns. If we consider actions, laughter, judgment, salvation, help, hindrance, obstacle, blessing, curse, these all are examples of actions. If we look at state or condition, childhood, old age, youth, womanhood, slavery, freedom, sleep, sickness, death, poverty, wealth, these all are examples of state or condition. And the most interesting in abstract noun is that the names of the arts and science are also abstract nouns. Music, chemistry, poetry, philosophy, these all are examples of arts and science in abstract nouns. At last, I want to give you some examples to identify the proper, common, collective, or abstract nouns. Suppose if I consider the crowd was very thin, crowd represent whole group, and that is collective. Honesty is the best policy, that is abstract nouns because of qualities. And the lion has great power, that is surely proper noun. We have a nuclear family, that is science word nuclear, and science always used in abstract noun. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos on educational related.